So this is the beautiful Club Couture for this month. Isn't that perfect for August? I don't know about you guys, but I love the fair. I used to go every day when I was a kid. We definitely bring my kids to the local county fairs, and I'm definitely heading out to the state fair this year too. So I love this. It's perfect for August. I did apply it with a shimmer copper paste, I believe is the one that I used, and that just kind of adds a really cool shimmery effect. The paste of the month this month is a really cool metallic. I do highly recommend checking that out because that is the first time we've offered a metallic paste. And that is the paste of the month, but I used shimmer today because I didn't have that one. So this is that white wooden chip. It is about a ½ inch thick. It is double-sided. It is a white wooden chip, just like you would expect out of any of Chalk Couture's simple shapes. And again, this is always going to match your Club Couture transfer, and it's always going to be free and included in your club shipment. So look at that. Is that not so cool? I absolutely love the detail that our transfers give you. You absolutely cannot get that with a vinyl, and to paint that, it would literally take you a long time, guys. I don't even know because I don't paint, but I promise it would take a lot longer than it does with the transfers. So this is the technique I wanted to show you. What I'm doing is I'm just taking a piece of my board eraser that's cut up. It's an old piece of my board eraser, and I'm kind of sponging the paste onto this chalkable shape after I applied a layer of the black, so I know where to put all my colors. And that's okay if I cover up the black, because at the end we're gonna go over it again. So this is really just about coming through and shading, and you're kind of just sponging it on. And I sped this one up because I accidentally made a mistake. Look, when you're all done, you go to apply the wax. I didn't dry mine, so all my paste started coming off. So I went and I washed it off, and I started again. So not only do you get these wooden accessories, but they're reusable. Oh my God, I was so excited when I saw that. I knew I had to get it on the camera. So, okay, here's the real trick, guys. You go back through with your black paste. Same thing we just did before, except for this time we're gonna dry it and we're not gonna ruin it. So here we are, we're drying it. We're gonna dry it in between every layer. Then again, I'm gonna come through with orange peel, bark, and bumblebee. And I'm just gonna, you just sponge on. This is kind of like a technique from the 90s. People used to do this on their walls. You just take that sponge, and what the sponge allows you to do is it allows you to blend those colors together, right? So I've seen this done with greens and yellows and browns to make gourds. I've seen it done with different shades of oranges and yellows. It always looks awesome. And boy, let me tell you, it is so soothing to just kind of sit there and just take your time and blend these colors together and just kind of sponge onto these. I mean, it was very therapeutic, guys, I promise you that. But seriously, it was a lot of fun, and the outcome is absolutely amazing. So I'm going to let this run. The other one got cut off because I wanted to show you that it was reusable. I'm gonna let this one run so you guys can actually see the technique and what I'm doing. At the end of this, I'm gonna take a magnet, and I'm just gonna put a magnet on the back of it, and I'm going to attach it right to my Aiden board because the Aiden boards are magnetic. And that design that we created earlier in the video. And it's just gonna pop up and add just a whole nother element to these beautiful pieces that you guys are already making. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you in a little bit. I hope you guys are enjoying that. I wanted to pop on real quick again and show you, make sure you dry them in between, and then just apply a wax layer because this protects your transfer from that paste that we just applied. So I always make sure to add my layer of wax. Just make sure to dry it in between. Then once again, I just come back over with the transfer again in that black, and that's gonna add that detail back into that wooden shape. Isn't this so simple and so amazing, guys? Such a fun technique. There's that magnet and there's that finished product, guys. I really do hope you try it. It is so much fun. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon.